Do you desire to craft a high-quality logo for your brand, website, or business but lack the expertise or wish to avoid hefty expenses on professional logo designers? This tutorial is tailored just for you. Today, I'll demonstrate a step-by-step process on how to fashion a premium logo for your brand, website, or business using AI. The best part, you can fashion your logo entirely for free without any design skills. So, without further delay, let's dive in. Firstly, we need inventive and unique logo ideas. No need to rack your brain or spend hours contemplating design concepts. We'll utilize a tool called Gravity Right-Click. Start by signing up with your Google account or email. Once signed up, you will land on the Gravity Right homepage. On the left menu, scroll down to find the Image Prompts option and click on Logo Design Ideas. For this demonstration, let's craft a logo for a women's skincare products business. Enter your business or brand name and a brief description. Then click on Create Content. In seconds, Gravity Art will furnish you with 10 unique logo design ideas using prompts. Now that we have our concepts, let's proceed to select a suitable design for our business. To generate our logo, we'll utilize an exceptional AI image generator called Leonardo AI. Click on the link provided in the description to access Leonardo. Sign up using your email or Google account. In Leonardo AI, you'll receive 15 credits for image generation, which automatically reload every 24 hours. To create our logo, navigate to AI image generation. Here, we need to pick a fitting model. I'm opting for the Leonardo diffusion model, but you can explore other options as well. Next, proceed to experiment with different models for your logo. Now I'm adjusting the aspect ratio to 1:1. Now we're ready to input our logo design prompt. To do so, head over to Gravity Right, click, and copy any design idea you prefer. Return to Leonardo AI, paste your idea into the prompt section, and click Generate. Wait for approximately 1 minute for our logo designs to be generated. I must say, I'm thoroughly impressed with the design ideas generated by Leonardo AI. If you're not satisfied with the generated design idea, you can try another one from Gravity Light. For this tutorial, I'm opting for this design as my logo. To download the design, click on Download here, and your logo design will be saved to your computer. Here's our logo design. As you can see, there are some letters in our design. Not to worry, we can easily remove them using another feature in Leonardo called the Canvas Editor. Return to the Leonardo homepage and click on Canvas Editor. Upload your logo design from your computer, ensuring to place your image in the blue box. To remove letters from our design, select the Draw Mark option and erase the letters you wish to remove. Then enter a simple text prompt in the prompt area and click Generate. As you can see, the letters have been successfully removed from our design. Click Accept, and finally, click the download icon to download your modified design. Now let's proceed to add the business name and further edit our logo. I'm utilizing Canva for this task. If you don't have a Canva account, click on Sign Up and create an account using your Google or email credentials. Once on the Canva homepage, click on Create Design and select the logo option. Here, we can customize and edit our logo. First, we need to upload our logo. To do this, select Upload and then Upload Files. Upload your logo by clicking here. Select your logo and it will appear on the canvas. Right-click on your logo and choose Set Image as Background to ensure your logo covers the entire canvas. Next, let's incorporate our business name into the logo. To do so, click on Text and then Add. Your text will be overlaid on the logo. Adjust the position of the text and input your business name. To modify the font type, click here and select a font of your preference. Additionally, you can adjust the letter spacing by clicking here. Now let's explore changing the text color. Click here and choose a color that suits your preference. Similarly, I'm adding a slogan to our logo. I believe our logo has turned out quite impressive. To download it, click on Share, then Download. Ensure you select Ping as the format and click Download again to save it to your computer. Now let's examine our logo. While the design is unique and creative, we aim to enhance its image quality by converting it to SVG format. For this task, we'll utilize a free tool called Vector AI. Simply upload or drag and drop your logo here, and within seconds, it will be transformed into high-quality SVG format. The advantage of SVG format is its compatibility with other software like Photoshop for further editing. Click the Download button, scroll down, and click Download once more to save your logo in SVG format. Impressively, we've created a beautiful logo design using AI, entirely free of charge and without any design expertise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI-related content. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.